Hi guys, today I want to tell you how I would create my portfolio. To start, I'm already signed in to my Google account. Next, I'm going to click on this waffle up here. If you can't see Google Sites in this first area, you can scroll down and click on More. For me, Google Sites is already here. I'm going to click on that image. And it will take me here. I have already looked at some sites and have created some of my own. So to create a new site, I am going to click on those three lines at the top, click on Sites, just kidding, that will take me back here. Then I will click on the addition sign that's on the bottom right-hand corner. Once it loads, I can begin my title page. You can title it whatever you'd like as long as it's something that's professional and something that relates to your portfolio and yourself and your career goals. I'm going to title my site my name. The reason that I am doing that is, if I can spell my name right, so that it's a little easier for me to find my site later. I also want to take this web page and I would like to save it as a favorites. I'm going to save that on my bookmarks bar. And the reason is because you can see that this web address is very, very long. I do not want to have to remember to write that down. I also don't want to lose it somewhere. Now to create my tabs or my pages, I'm going to click on Pages and enter in all 6 of those different pages that I need to have. My first one is Education. Okay, so to create my education page, I'm going to click on the bottom plus sign, and I'm going to click New Page. I'm going to name it Education. That will come up here, I believe, yep. Then I'm going to add another page. It's going to say Health and Safety. I need another page that says Philosophy Statement and Resume. I need one that says Professional Development or Growth. This is where we're going to put our goals and such. I need one that says Work Sampling. And of course I'm missing one. To move Education or Philosophy Statement and Resume up, I'm just going to click it and drag it. And once I have all 6 there, again I'm missing one, then I can click on them and I can start editing them. So here's Philosophy Statement and Resume. To add something to my Philosophy Statement and Resume page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click down here and I'll get this donut up. When I get that donut up, I can either add text in here. What you're most likely going to do is add something from the drive. So if you've taken a picture of your CPR certificate or you have written your resume, very likely that's going to be saved on your drive if you used Google Docs to do those things. So I'm going to click here and then I will find my resume in my drive and upload it there. if I have a document from my computer that I have saved, I'm going to click on this cloud with the arrow on it and upload it from my computer. If I have a document that's saved on another web page, I can copy the embed code, click here, paste it there, and then it will be on my web page. Finally, if I have an image, this image needs to be saved in Google Drive, I can click here and upload it from my drive there. I'm going to upload my philosophy statement and my resume here. If I have a cover letter or a letter of intent, I will also upload that here. I'm going to go through to my education tab and upload anything that I need to for that tab, so on and so forth for all of them. On your home page, you should include an About Me section. Again, you're going to double click for the donut here. You may use the text and write your About Me. You may have something saved on Drive or uploaded from your computer. It's totally up to you. I don't know where you have those saved, but you can find them and upload them here. Finally, when you are all done, you are going to push Publish. This is very important. This website right here is what you are going to share with me. I also need this to say who can view my site. You can put anyone, or if you're worried about safety things, you need to share it with me and make sure that I am the person you can share this with. My website, or my email address, is katherinequinn2113@gmail.com. You can see it here. You can invite me to look at your webpage. You also need to share the link in your assignment on Canvas. Otherwise, I may not see it in my Gmail account, and then you won't get points for it. So please also upload that link to Canvas. Alright, and then you can push Publish, and it will save it, and then you are ready to share it with the world. You can always come back and edit it, add to it as you need to, as you grow and your professional needs grow. Alright, if you have any questions, please let me know. Happy creating!